That's all because we went to bed late. Just look at us. Hi, my beautiful friends. I'm Daniela, the vegan mom.
I'm Christina, I'm the caregiver.
Christina,
Yes,
what are we going to talk about today to our friends?
going to bed late.
Yes, we're going to talk about the consequences of going to bed late. My grandmother always told me to go to sleep several hours before midnight. And my grandma was no doctor, scientist, or sleep expert. She was just a simple farmer, and yet grandma's advice was right on. So what are the consequences if you go to sleep late? You will look like hell the next morning. Yes, like that. You won't be able to function correctly the next day, and your decision-making skills will be greatly impaired. You will be short-tempered the next day and probably yell at a few people and say stuff that you'll regret later. Eventually, you start gaining weight because you're probably not just going to bed late, but I bet you're also snacking and eating late. Don't lie to me, just admit it. I know you're probably eating those greasy chips.
Not good for you.
That's right, it's not good for you. And cookies and ice cream and another sandwich and a sugary soda. Because that's what I do when I stay up late. And even if you eat healthy vegan snacks, it just is not good to do that late in the night. And believe me, it doesn't feel good the next day.
That's bad.
Yeah, it's bad to eat late, huh?
Yep.
And ultimately, if you keep that up with going to bed late, you're going to develop health issues, and believe me, you don't want that. Your body needs that sleep before midnight to cleanse itself and to get rid of toxins and to start the next day with renewed and refreshed energy. There's a reason why they call it the beauty sleep. So just get to bed when the planet turns the lights off. Bye!
Bye! See you next time!